Hey everybody, it's Alex at Motoroso, and in this video we're going to talk about this ultimate luggage setup that we have for the KTM 890 Adventure R. This is applicable to the 790 Adventure and Adventure R, as well as the 890 Adventure and Adventure R, and all this product is from our friends over at Givi. Now, in our previous video, we made a video about the Tankbag and the Pannier racks, hard cases, and some soft cases from Giant Loop, and at the end of that video I said, hey, we're going to be doing a top case, but we don't have the parts yet, and we'll do that video later. Well, like an hour after we got finished shooting, those parts arrived and we just went ahead and installed them. And it is a super easy installation to make it work. Now, this top case is a very simple setup. Okay, you've got your adapter plate, which mounts on top of the stock rack system that comes basic on the 890 Adventure R. That is an adapter plate for you to mount the base plate. And they have a few different designs for the base plate. They have two different shape designs, and each of those come in both silver and black. We went with the nice V-shaped M8 plate, which looks a lot like the headlights on the KTM. So when this case is off, it looks killer, really matches the style of the bike. And then as you can see, once that once that base plate is mounted, then my Givi case just pops right on, clicks on, super simple and easy. Now, this is my huge 58-liter case that I use on my Ducati Multistrada Enduro that we made a separate video about before, and I've had it all over the state of California and Utah, and it's done its duty already. And as you can see, it mounts up really nice and looks great on the 890 Adventure R. Now, in all honesty, that is a big case for a middleweight adventure bike. And so they do make the 42-liter top case, which might be the route to go. But as you can see, it really matches the bike and the size of the side cases pretty well. And these are the 42-liter side cases, and I made a separate video about that. We'll put a link to that in the description. Now, the installation here, very straightforward. 4 bolts and a few spacers mount the base plate to your existing KTM plate. Then you mount the, that's the adapter plate. Then you mount the base plate to the adapter plate. And again, that just clicks right on, super straightforward. So if you'd like to buy the adapter plate for a top case, we'll put a link to that right here. We'll put links to everything you see in the bike on the description. And now we've got my KTM 890 Adventure R fully decked out for either hard cases or soft cases for adventure rides to go the distance. And if you want to learn more about those side racks, check out that video right over here. Thanks for watching.